Want to make a jazzed up version of green bean casserole? This is actually my mom's recipe and it's awesome. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius. Coat a 1.5 quart baking dish with nonstick cooking spray. Shred up some Swiss cheese, about a cup, approximately 2 ounces. Open up 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and get it into a bowl. Season with freshly ground black pepper. Pour in 1/4 cup whole milk. Stir it all together to combine. Drain 2 cans of French-style green beans and add to the bowl with the soup. Get you some sliced almonds and toss them in. Add in your Swiss cheese and stir everything to combine. I'll link to the printable recipe below. I have affiliate links in the description as well. If you like some of the kitchen stuff you see in my videos, you can click on those links. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and if you make a purchase, I'll earn a commission. Pour this into your 1.5 quart baking dish and smooth it all out with the back of a spoon. Get it into the center of your preheated oven for 30 minutes. Take it out and give everything a stir. This is probably my favorite part and it's genius. Crush up some sour cream and onion potato chips in a bag and sprinkle over the top. Get this back into the oven for about 5 more minutes to get just a little color on the topping. It's almost time to eat. Let it rest for a few minutes before you dig in. It's also great to make ahead and reheat the next day. Mom really did a good job with this one. For another great recipe, watch this video right here.